Text table will allows you to maintain the descriptions of a table in the different languages. For example, if you take a sales organization, for each and every sales organization, they maintained a separate text in it with the different languages. As
Mm,
we know, SAP is opted for the bilingual, multi multiple languages. So what
mm,
the SAP is doing is, for example, if you consider a sales organization, for every sales organization, they maintain a separate a descriptions or text which is maintained. So those kinds of text or descriptions which will be maintained in the text table in the different languages. In those table, they maintain the along with the text, they also maintain the language also, which is the field called as pras, which is the SPRAS, which is the language field.
mm,
So if you see the table called as TVKO, okay, this is the table to have the
mm,
sales organizations.
mm,
So I don't find any descriptions for it. This is the header line, footer lines. Okay, I don't see anything. Okay. So this kinds of text in the different languages which they are maintaining in the text tables. How can I check those text tables? Means here we'll be having utilities. No, go to text table.
mm, mm,
Okay, click on this. Okay, whatever the text table which is maintaining to that particular table, it's automatically navigated.
okay, okay.
Now you see the table called as TVKOT.
Mm, mm,
See the description here. Organization unit, sales organization, texts. In the TVKO, you would see only sales organizations. Whatever the sales organizations which they are maintaining in that, they provide some
mm,
text here in the different languages.
mm,
If you see here, this is the SPRAS, which is the language.
mm,
If you see here, this is the VKORG, which they are comparing with the VKORG. If you see here, input helper check also, they are having their foreign key relation with the TVKO.
mm, mm,
Okay, once you make the relation, you are allowed to provide extra data for that. What is the extra data here? This is the, which one? Text.
this, it's,
Okay, they are providing the sales organizations for the sales organ text for the this v text field. If you go for the display, okay, here we'll be having language. Whatever the language you can select. For example, if I search for the DE, which is the German, okay, you would see the only sales organization for the only for the German language.
mm, mm,
Like this, it is maintaining different languages. Okay, you would see only English. Okay, like this, the text table is maintained for the tables. So the another way is you can check the from the search help if it is assigned. For example, if you see this is the VKORG. Okay, this is the main one. This is the sales organization. We have to find the text with it
mm.
for organization. So which is
Yes.
the search help which is assigned? Okay,
Mm,
VKORG. So if you see here, there is explicit search help. They created a search help and assigned here.
mm,
If you double click on this search help,
mm.
okay, this is again collective search help. What is the collective search help? Collective search help is a combining of different elementary search helps.
Correct.
See here, included search help and again this search help. Okay, you can double click on this. And again, this is the append search help. Here we'll be having included search helps. And again, there is a behind this one more search help. You can double click on this. Here we'll be having the TV cable. Okay. Once
mm,
you make
mm,
it, whatever the text table which is assigned to that, it is automatically assigned.
okay.
Okay, this is the way
Mm,
how you can find the text table also. In sometimes in almost each and every case, so if the
mm,
main database table is TVKO, that is
mm.
extension for the text table is T.
Yes.
T for
Yeah.
the text table. In
Mm,
sometimes you don't find that.
mm, mm.
So at that time you can go through this search help if there is any search help which is maintained or not. Through that
Okay. So
circle circle which is navigating to the final elementary search help, if there is any text table which is assigned to that, if you want those text to be displayed in the form of a report, so you have to check in this way if T is not there in the naming conventions of the table.